Hey, welcome back to my channel where today I am going to be making a vegan ground turkey. So this recipe should be pretty quick and simple and should match those needs that whenever you need to use ground turkey, you'd be able to use this. So let's go ahead and get started with some ingredients. Ingredients today is textured vegetable protein, vegetable stock, cumin, nutritional yeast, salt, miso, umami seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. To make this recipe, all I'm going to do is add the textured vegetable protein and the vegetable stock, and I'm going to let that sit for about 15 minutes so that way the textured vegetable protein soaks up the liquids. And then I'm going to add the other ingredients and just mix it really well and put it aside, and there we have the ground turkey. Now this is to mimic raw ground turkey, so I'm not going to be cooking it up, but this is going to be a great substitution for any of those ground turkey needs. Okay, now that the textured vegetable protein has soaked that up most of the way, let's go ahead and add in the other ingredients. We have the miso, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, umami seasoning, salt, and nutritional yeast. And now I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. Now, it's not going to hurt for me to take a little pinch of this just to try it out, just to kind of give you all an idea of the flavor profiles on this. I'm not going to have too much. If you want to see exactly how I would use this ground turkey, you'll be able to check out a recipe that I'll share at the end of this video. But let's just see here. Again, I was going for ground turkey, and in some aspects I get a hint of turkey flavor there. Overall, I think this is closer to ground turkey than I would initially think, because I'm kind of reflecting back here to when the last time I had ground turkey was, and it was quite a while ago. I've certainly had turkey years ago before I changed my dietary needs, but this has some umami. It has a little bit of sourness. To me, this is a little bit like a slightly seasoned ground turkey. And so I think that this makes it so that way it's a good substitution for any of those ground turkey recipes that you're doing, whether you're going to make, like turkey burgers, or whether you're going to add it into a sandwich or a pasta or anything like that. I think this definitely meets that goal of making ground turkey. So I definitely suggest this, and I think that you'll find it enjoyable and be able to incorporate this into recipes and just have a good time in your kitchen, because I'm going to bring you some more great recipes. I'm going to show you how to add this into another dish to make it really enjoyable, because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.